Hey, bro, it's a fat boy. I don't think you're fat enough for this bike, bro.
I want to try to stunt this Harley.
What do you say? If you can't slide, you can't drive. That's it. That's just the rule. Bitch, I'm gassed up. Bitch, I'm gassed up. Bitch, I'm gassed up. Bitch, I'm gassed up.
Rum, 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 I'm an idiot. Rum, rum, rum.
Hi, good morning. Slow motion. Feel how rough this is. It's like,
Oh, wow.
80 grit sandpaper. But this is when all body men freak out. They're like, oh, we gotta sand it lighter. Just get the primer on there and sand it smooth. Guys, come on. You don't need a mask if you hold your breath.
Wait, Rob, what happened? You put on a mask. Got tired of holding your breath?
Yeah, I usually do wear a mask. So for y'all out there, wear a mask. If you don't, you may shoot yourself and die, and not necessarily in that order.
Apparently Harmon's not picking up.
How does my pocket randomly start calling Harmon as I'm in the midst of saying?
How often do you talk to Harmon?
Never. On the phone?
I didn't know that was your boy. Y'all just be FaceTiming on the lows, family. What's going on, you guys? It's your boy Sean from TOOFAST TV, back with another episode. Before we hop into it, I just want to remind you guys that we got a contest going on, a giveaway. All you have to do is subscribe to our channel, hit follow on our Instagram pages at TOOFAST Inc. and TOOFAST TV, and you'll be instantly entered to win $1,000. $1,000 can get you one of these. You could get $1,000 off of these. For $1,000, you could buy yourself an Austin Lee. Oh my God.
Guys, come check out my new office. It's this Harley Davidson Pikachu bike. Vroom, vroom.
Got him! Oh! Whoa! Whoa!
Yo, honestly, bro, I think you need a Harley in your life too, though.
I'm not a Harley man.
No?
I am.
I know you're. Everybody's a Harley man deep down, like.
Customize it? Fully custom?
Clean.
Yeah, the handlebars and the rear tail.
Me.
Beautiful, eh?
Yeah, he drives.
Clean me. Yo, I want to show you guys something. I don't even know if I'm allowed to show you. Gang, gang. But I'm going to show you anyways, because quite frankly, I don't give a fuck and I think it's really cool. So our homegirl, Moody, I know you remember her. She came by, laid a nasty ass burnout last season. She's back, and check this out. I know you're seeing it. Oh yeah. So TOOFAST Auto Body, put in that work. Make sure you give her a follow. Tell her that you saw it. Yeah. Don't be mad at me, Moody. Lies! So yo, decided to come out here to the body shop. We're gonna get that bumper painted. I just wanted to like show you guys Rob's paint process, you know what I mean?
Yes, we are sort of chemists.
Yeah, this guy's Bill Nye the Science Guy over here.
Bill Nye the Science Guy. Bill. That click is essential. Or else you have all of this. This is what happens when you don't have the click. Now we clear. Warm.
So you were telling me before that some people say you kind of do a dance.
It's very robotic, very natural.
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put some music on this, and we're gonna see how well you dance. Good? There you go. Help you put it on the ground?
Or you want to watch me beast it myself?
I think I should watch you beast it. The people want to see you beast it. Let me give you some room before you break something.
Man, it's actually way bigger than I thought. You're gonna have to help me.
Help me! Help me!
So it's magically on the floor now. Flipped over. Ricky did that by himself, I swear. So you're like a pro at building these now, right?
Yes. I tell people it takes 5 minutes, but they don't realize it takes me 5 minutes, not them. How much wood could chuck?
Wood.
Yo!
Ricky bought a new car.
Ricky bought a new car.
Yeah.
Ricky, what car did you buy?
This one.
Or was it this one?
I'm building it. No, that's too high cost.
No, it wasn't that one.
Or was it that? Ooh.
Ooh, come watch the next Too Fast episode to find out.
Alright, yo, that's it for another episode of Too Fast TV. No, it's not. It really is, though. I'm not editing no more. I'm not filming no more. I will see y'all next episode. Make sure you follow us on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. If not, you're a big fat bitch. And yo, Too Fast TV, baby. What?
Fast TV.
Hey,
Yeah.
he already knows what it is.
I know what it is.
English.
So high off this rubber.
You're laughing against every time.
If you can't slide, you can't drive. It is what it is. Now this car giveaway, I'm telling you, this car right here, It's not gonna look like that, cause you know that's kind of stuff. But yo, once we get the wide body and everything put back on, we're giving that dish away, and you will have already qualified if you won and entered in on this one. So, TOOFAST TV, baby. It is what it is. Let's go.